Hey everybody, it's your girl. What's up? Today is Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. Oh. All right, so back. I had to answer that. So anyway, this is one of my sweatshirts that I just practice on. I had cut. So this is my wild look for work. For the day, I'm about to go to the job site. Let me see if I can show you it from head to toe. All right, this is part 2 or 3, I don't know, my video. I have changed clothes. Now I'm on my way to the studio. I might do some embroidering today. We'll see. All right, y'all, I made it to the studio. So I'm getting ready to work on some stuff now. Yep. And by the way, I can't wait to get my mighty boots, okay? Can't wait. But this is good, you know, to start out with, but I can't wait to get the mighty boots. So while that's running over there was embroidery. I'm getting ready to do a few more projects that I need to do to get done. So, hey, let's go check on embroidery.